Hi everyone, this is Naman signing in, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of Saaregama Carvaan Mini, the Bluetooth speakers which were launched last year, and these were much hyped. So today I'm going to do their unboxing, and actually they were given to me by HP as a gift. So basically I'll show you the box. So it comes at a price tag of 20 to 90, but it is easily available under 2000 on internet. Basically there has been a price cut because of the deduction in the GST from 28 to 18%. So as you can see, the model is SCM01. Actually there are two models on internet. The one without FM is this one, and the one with FM is SCM02. So this model is particularly without the FM. So this piece comes with 251 super hit retro Hindi songs inside inbuilt. Other than that, it is a normal Bluetooth speaker which connects with your phone, and it accepts pen drive, and of course it has a rechargeable battery. So nothing special other than this. So I'm just going to open the box. I've already cut the seal. I'm just going to open the box. As you open the box, you see the speaker itself wrapped. Okay, so this is the speaker, and it is blue color with black border. So basically we have it feels like metal, but it is actually plastic on both sides. This is metal, yes, and on these two sides we have plastic. So this is the speaker. Here's the model SCM01. Have a good look. Saaregama Carvaan Mini. And so we have following features in this. We have a Saaregama mode in which the inbuilt songs plays. Then we have a USB mode in which you can connect the pen drive or SD card. And then we have the Bluetooth mode by which you can connect it to the phone. And of course you have the charging point. So I'm just going to power it on. There's a grouper button on the top. Here's the power button.
Power on.
So these buttons are for playback and play forward, and these are for volume control, and this is to pause the video. So when you power on the speakers, the first song automatically plays. You can increase the volume. You can increase the volume. So if you want to change the song, these are the buttons to change the song itself. I'm just going to pause the song for a while. So this is for the pause and the play button. To play the next song, just press this button. I'm playing it on a low volume so that you can hear my voice. I'm going to increase the volume of the speakers.
रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई.
So bright LED blows
एक ख्वाब में आई
on Saaregama logo.
और गले का हार हुई. सुबह को जब हम नींद से जागे
The volume is maxed out at this moment. So you must have got an idea about the performance of this product. Other than this, you can connect it to a pen drive, or you can connect it to your phone detected, and use it as a normal Bluetooth speaker. So I think the performance is okay. The sound quality is very good, although it is not that loud, but the sound is solid. The sound is crisp, and it's not breaking anywhere. So it is a go and buy for me. So at this price, you're getting a very decent product. So go ahead and buy this product.